We recently completed 13 years. So I have been getting requests from my team to share my experience working with EcosMob as I am one of the oldest employee at the company. And I can still remember the first day at the company. We had very small office at the time, which can accommodate like hardly 15 people. I started to work in Asterisk. I started to work in OpenAsia, and I'm really thankful to Maulik Shah and Ruchir Brahmbhatt, who were my mentors, who are my mentors, and yeah, they will be my mentors. So back then, like Maulik Shah was more experienced and expert in PHP, whereas Ruchir Brahmbhatt was more working in voice over IP. So we started to learn OpenAsia, and we were spending a lot of time together. But yeah, I say that I got a lot of opportunities, and I always didn't think twice to grab any of them. So gradually I've been more technical person. I would say one of the expert at the company, and I became the technical analyst. And one fine day, I was called by Ruchir Brahmbhatt, and he mentioned that okay, we are having an opportunity to visit a customer back in Iran, and you and me both are invited to understand his project requirements. And yeah, I said yes, okay, I will have good exposure, first time communicating directly face to face with any customer. And I grabbed it, and back then we had many other technical people also who were working in voice over IP. But yeah, I got that opportunity, and I can proudly say that yeah, I grabbed it, and it's been a very good experience for me working closely. I would say more closely with Ruchir Brahmbhatt during those times, and I got a lot of experience understanding more about the MySQL, how to architect or the design like career-grade solutions. So and after that, like during the year of 2012, we were actually invited by a customer in Italy for whom actually we delivered the first project in OpenACR in 2008, and we were invited by him for inauguration of his office. So I would say like I have got a lot of such opportunities, and I proudly say that I was always ready to grab any opportunity which can help my growth, which can help the growth of the company, and I always got trust from Maulik Shah and Ruchir Brahmbhatt. The environment working at the EcosMob that helped to keep me motivated, the healthy competition kept me motivated, and to grow myself. So the journey from junior software developer to tech analyst, then I became team leader, then project manager. So during the 2012 actually I was a team leader, and then I was promoted as a project manager. And I would say they always appreciated and understood how technical I am, right? So then we discussed and we thought like, okay, why not utilize my experience working closely with the customers, understanding their pain points, understand their business needs, understand their business use cases, and suggest their solutions. So then we thought like, okay, what if instead of working as a project manager, I move to the sales team and work as a business analyst, come project manager, and I could like for 3 to 4 months actually I performed well in that role, and even a couple of projects I closed myself. Then we thought like, okay, if I'm doing very good as a techno commercial person, why not completely move to the SaaS, right? So then I became the business development manager. So yeah, that was the period, some between like 2012, 2013, around 2013, yeah, around 2013. I got this opportunity to become the business from sales to business development manager. Then I got a lot of opportunity to visit GCC countries, visit African countries, and bring more and more business for the company. So they gave me opportunity to communicate directly with the customers, right? And gradually that experience helped me out while working as a business development manager. Now we are in 2020 and right now I am working as a vice president of sales. I am heading the sales team. I am having very good sales team, like having 15 to 20 people working in the sales team. We are having a separate team of business analysts. We are having a separate team of the business development managers. We are having lead generators. We are having a separate team of marketing team. So yeah, the growth from 10 employees to 150 plus, and we are aggressively growing. So I'm very much happy to see this growth. Like the person who joined in 2007 as a junior software developer, as an employee number 10, now having the team of 150 person. It is giving a lot of motivation to me that okay, now we are here, how we can do the 10x growth in next couple of years. So that motivation helps me out to train my team, to guide them, to help them out, to support them. And I always kept the growth of company, I always kept growth of myself, I always kept like growth of team in front of anything else. Like so I'm not bragging myself, but yeah, I never focused on the money. I always focused on how I can perform well, how I can perform better. Right? And I never had to think about my economic stability, because the founders of the company who always focus that if someone performs well, if someone wants to grow faster, they always been supportive. And I'm not the only person here who has got such opportunities. There are many other examples like me. So I always believe that, I do believe in the Bhagavad Gita, where Sri Krishna said that karma kareja fardhi chinta na kar. And yeah, I always kept working without this day, night. I will always be thankful to Ruchir Brahmbhatt and Maulik sir. And my team, my current team, to lead the sales team. Of course, you need to learn the sales tactics also. So yeah, while working with the pure sales people, I also learned that, and majority I learned from Maulik sir. And yeah, I'm here after 13 years, and there are many more years to go. I think from this experience, I would like to say that always be open for any opportunities, always be ready to grab it, and thank you.